Come get. I'm Mbaka about me. I think I'm too much.
We are being used. Like one Ogechi they are used now in America or wherever. When I say Mbaka Jibata Dibi, put away Mamoyenko, ain't gonna buffer. Back an age Dibi. On the Dibi, my from Mbaka crusade, or you're gonna zo in one way.
I think I'm too much.
We are being used.
Hey, I'm a papala Mbaka Didiao. I'm a papala. Hey. I think I'm too much. So, Mbaka, you don't notice me. That's good though. Nobody is using me. Oh. Everything I said is the truth. And that man put a video again. Hey, what I go? Someone, let's think about ourselves, maybe. No. Hey, what I go? Now, come on, Rekpala. Like I even here.
They are being used. Like one Ogechi they are used now in America or wherever. When I say Mbaka Jibata Dibi. Put away Mamoyenko, ain't gonna buffer. Back an age Dibi. On the Dibi, my from Mbaka crusade, or you're gonna zo in one way. Oh, women is Rob and Ogechi and Ache Pato. Don't support any ministry with falsehood foundation. Any ministry that rises on a falsehood foundation is doomed to collapse. It's a matter of time. In my came Hannah, Hannah, come back out to the horn. And was one famous man of God, a priest, on a name, no Yajere, or Jaimu, Yaku bunch of ministers, which Unum was a man of God on the Nuku. Priest, the famous. It will be a money and a Tia Martin. Any ministry whose foundation is laid on falsehood is doomed to collapse. It's a matter of time. And if but mother adram Nkiti, okay, get man and pull with the number Nkiti. My silence is like a thunder. And when it will hit you, God can forgive every sin, but karma does not forgive any sin. My silence will hit you like a karma. Ndini na call it rubbish. I call mecha, you don't want to oh, you na koto, okay, how many? Open age or you customer, or man bonnet patu. ABC, Ebito.
When I'm packaging, what you put in directly, I'm
so we will like you to was this one. So the government go about Ogechi now trend in Facebook. Begin to apologize so soon.
Lie.
Wahala you never imagined will visit
Mbaka. I said no to it. I will never apologize to you. Like apology. Mbaka, why would you even go and listen to video mere how many years Chalama put up this same address? Video mere JMO Keza Haya what's his name? Ebony lost son. Ako pray and do together with Anyegi. You want to go video mere how many months ago? Why are you hearing it for now? Mbaka, I'm not gonna apologize to you, nothing. When him like apology. I will hear he me. After all, Mbaka, don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there. Cause again. Don't even start. Come on, people don't put our evidence. So Mbaka, don't ever go there. If I apologize to you, come on here, Batrayane. I will never apologize to you. Till tomorrow, I will maintain by. I will stand by it. Rubbish. Nana Koyeri. Why would I even for what, Mbaka? For what? When I was defending you, Ashonye to my email, want you the man of fraud. Where were you? Why did you come out then? Now be a mega apology, I give you money. Where would I? Yawuroma, Mbaka, I'm not winning a cash. You should back off from Ashere. Okay? Now, Koyeri, Mbaka, I'm coming to run this program tomorrow. I don't fear nothing, no. All this thing, Namagamagama. Ndola, I'm gonna have the Pamana adoration. Tipano Jegba, Kwanu J, Mbaka one, you know. Tipano Jegba, go respect your way out. Make you know if you know my side. I'm cool, oh. That's my that side. So I'm back in a gash, but the last son of the video minute. How many getting to a year now? Kopeya, tag Gabarico about it. Taking again panu. Apology can you go to
We are being used.
Chilogodi.
We are being used.
Iba BG. Now, forcing high, but Mbaka, please. We know your background. We bitoya show get you me bitona. Oga respect on we go. I'm not an adoration person. Respect to Ponwegi. I go start boza. Mbe to cover history gina. I say na forge. Oga na lie yo. No start oh. Ndola muna hana de kwana mma. Bokwanu Mbaka o. Bokwanu ya. Ya bikokwa. Yes chokwala this side o. All of una. J pipe. You know this gina boni son na. This thing when they do, I no go apologize to Mbaka. If not give me marry video, I may attach. And may go. I give me marry the video, attach it again. Dala. So no go be fake. Mbaka is not fake. Una go call it be fake, and Mbaka is not fake because it's already Mbaka na beba J back war. The kwano J ban Mbaka o. Make una go tell am o. You cannot just go and copy out small. Hold on, come block Unya. Oh yeah, fuck off. This place is not for Uno. If you want to address anything, go on a page Uno. Go no there. So yeah, going to deviate here. Una don't lie. I stand by everything I said. Till tomorrow, one day, Mbaki choka get disgrace. What get disgrace yegi? Everything I state in that video is nothing but the truth. It's okay. When I note. Pekona park yo. Park yanu. I'm not easily to be maneuvered with rubbish show. Them almost getting to how many work I be back up tire. Mention one hage, Brugi, Mbaka you Mekuna go one amo. Mekuna go one amo. Mekuna no try me. Mekuna go one amo. So yeah, I couldn't be distracted J Park. One Ogechi. Mbaka self. Thank you for even acknowledging me, self. Thank you for acknowledging me or the easy. Can play with the video. Ana about reform. Make una go pack one place because na ke hunu na kpoga aha. Ebe abe gbasaga. Mpamba ke chokwa saga ga pata yo. No, I no see your face so. One Ogechi channel. Which Ogechi channel use? Which Ogechi fa say I stand there by fast J. But go and rest. Go and rest, please. Spare me all those rubbish.
About 4 DBS who go to come out and testify. The fact is here. The information is here, the recording is here.
Did I lie?
Another woman about cancer through prayer and this what they call it this oil.
Mbaka washing. Weren't you paying people to come and blackmail Ebukobi? Weren't you paying people to come and blackmail Ebukobi? Because he's doing well. Back I don't make my problem now. Come up on them face you go. Back please respect on we go. For even acknowledging me Gamana Umodo because I get celebrate and this one I celebrate also.
They have to communicate with this woman. Call them woman, even in our world, the woman should conscience again.
Back na lie? Not true. Na lie. I go come run the video na lie. I go make the video post where na lie. So for the son 500,000 Okeke Njaka make connection. Na he copy video mere how many months ago. Ndo tu Mbaka copy ya. Ha be isusu. Osubunu ni na pare ko chadiri unu self. Video mere how many months akapita ya chat. Mbaka all the people na akogi you know they see them. You know they see them. Why this particular name J Park woto una won't come distract me. Ndala 500,000 bena make everybody respect ya no uno. You know respect ya no.
Any day they have given me their approval.
Mbaka for recognizing me is a big deal. What I go, but my because video me for a long time. So if they are touching you here, if you are mention on adoration, I no send do. Mbaka I no send. Ebola me and that's it. If you don't like what I said, okokolo mbata Nigeria, chomano ozubonu ni na chomano agba bata Nigeria. You should need police arrest. Maybe my own you will start with it. Oh, I don't talk am. The one another accuse Ebuko binko. One another accuse amanko. Mbe puru Mbaka ejinimu ona nge Mbaka ejinim picture ge. I shouldn't picture gi. When I said Mbaka, Mbaka, I shouldn't picture gi. Why are you guys even calling me? Did I show your picture? Remember Mbaka, I shouldn't picture gi. Mbaka. So I get registered some place that nobody should. No, but I know that Bukulama ho. Have one match monyam chugao. Ron, yeah. Shouldn't go for no sister. Shinga for out. I want back everybody a popita. Remember on back. Did I show your picture? I shouldn't video not a pressure out again. Like a well, Mbaka, thank you for recognizing me. It's me, Ogechi Okeke Njaka living. Yes, it's me, sir. It's me that said it. Mbaka has finally replied you. Of course, and so what? Mbaka, that have proven that all one Ejine upon his son that have proven that all one are behind the upon his son or she don't the fear. Don't the fear again. Come on, get out. Come on. Do I look like one come mini? Come on, shinga for fear on ye. Fear on ye come na joke. And a fear amun nagi ko what negi. Fear on ye. Ta zuru shinga for. Na koyeri. And my fear on ye. Who I go fear? Fear who? Fear who? Why is that Kempuruja Doda? And then I not see them. Fear who? When they come now, fear. Who the f am I going to fear? Ndala. Video how many months ago? Because a bonny son, a bonny lost son, work so hard and 500,000. That means Mbaka, you have been the one sending a bonny lost son. Now this thing on a me. That's what it is. Nana, you just see the video. Video me almost 3 hours. I complete that one. They send there. And I call it. Man, oh, she know me who for make una clear my face. After all, very dark man, and I know when anybody, everybody arrest. Gini kunu mene. Gini kunu mene. I don't fear gene. When very dark man in a union, what. Gini kunu mene. You know they Nigeria. Ogechi can't talk. I'm everywhere. Who is this? Not Koyeri. Very dark man and call Unu. One after another. The men again. I guess Mbaka have replied. Not gonna see una follow man. They tackle una every now and then. Mbaka go do that video. Join them all. I go do them. Now lie. Come and prove yourself. A bit of Lamasawa. That means Ogechi will have a very dark man. One more dogu. If I can talk, everybody I know. One more dogu campo. Guys, see you guys later. Imagine. So name. Okay, take it easy. Ejike Mbaka is the man. Oya, zero. Chinga for Iso. I should come back to Nigeria. Oya, Cheremana Mabia on the 30th. I'll be in Nigeria. Very dark man not in Nigeria for how many months? On a piano, okay, Pianambara. On a piano, Piana Henny, no more by who in a mail. Very dark man, Darama, Zubunu, in an 80. Eh? Can you know me? Now, while I'm very dark man, now, woman. Okay, chop on it. Can somebody say hallelujah? Hallelujah. You must acknowledge. Now, to go to very dark man, you are favorite. One more dog. Nah, I'm a parliamentary one. Eh? I'm a bad but thank you for acknowledging me, my brother. Why saying that you did not put Mbaka picture? That he is not. Of course. You know, very dark man should defend the way in a court. Logical matter, but I go do my own on Facebook. And I go make me dance, when they don't enter. One Ogechi. Why is it the last? Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I'm a follower. I'm a very dark man. It's a bit. Now for the bit. Nah, eh? Oh, I imagine. Mpaka hujandeni nene ya wuto ya urun kem ko la re. Oya, otilo. Chere mbem batra ga comment ara by platform.